Malapit na po ang pagdating ng ating newlyweds. So we prepared po to our principal sponsors, secondary sponsors. So we will be having, or we'll be doing a traditional entrance entourage sa ating dinner reception. Nandiyan na po sila. Okay, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, settle down. Sorry. Okay. Hindi ko pa alam kung nangyayari. So, sorry. Mag-shift po ang ating program. So, as I call your name, you will enter our red carpet. We will start to our secondary sponsors. Abay at ang ating mga ninong at nina. Mr. Rustan Jr. Dondoy and Mr. Arthur John Dizon. Punta tayo sa gitna, kasahan tayo sa ating mga audience. Next in line is Miss Jolene Piambao and Mr. John Eric Cruz. Hindi mo pwedeng hindi sasayaw, may iwan po tayo. Love Okay, thank you so much. Next up is Miss Bianca Kiobao and Mr. Don Don Perez. Miss Jasmine Concepcion. Thank you so much. Next up is Mr. Raya Draya and Miss Kimberly Kiambao. Request daw po ng jumbo hotdog dyan. Hindi na kayo magkasabay. Naku, mahihain ang partner mo. Ayan. With the props. Thank you so much. And now, let's have our maid of honor, Miss Angeline Bolivar. Thank you so much. And now, syempre, hindi magpapatalo ang ating mga principals. Ready si Mami. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much to our bridesmaids and groomsmen. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. And once again, welcome to our newlyweds, Mr. J and Mrs. Shine Shine Kiambao. You can now take your seats po, ayan, sa ating mga guests, principal sponsors and secondary sponsors. Okay. Okay, as we start our program. Sige po, maraming salamat. And now, we're going to give the floor to our newlyweds. So, groom, take the hand of your bride, of your wife, as you take your first steps. Thank you so much, Mr. Arturo. Thank you. And now, ito yung moment. Ito ang unang sayo ninyo na bilang mag-asawa. So, salitin niyo yan hanggang bukas na naman. Dance your night. This dance is not just a dance, but it was in line to our traditional prosperity dance. So sa prosperity dance po natin, we usually do bills sa damit ng ating couple. happy couple. And also giving them the prosperity that we have for them. Bride for tonight. Yan ang best man. Kung ako sa inyo, atanin ko yung crew. Ako nabitin. Oh, thank you so much. Binitin niyo naman yung isa nag-enjoy. Kaya mo yan. Naniniwala ako sa kakayahan mo. Oo, pati na. Ay, ang bilis naman. Parang kinagat mo ata. Ayan. Okay, thank you so much. O, dyan ka muna. Okay, so, it's your turn. Groomsmen. Inangayahan ko lahat ng groomsmen dito. Ayan. Groomsmen, inangayahan ko po ang lahat. Tumayo po ang mga groomsmen natin. Hindi po mabubuo ang ceremony na ito without the groomsmen. Huwag ka namang iwan yung nakasalo ng bouquet. Ano ba? This is just a tradition. So this is part of celebrating the union of our newlyweds.